This video is going to show you how the students will log in and create their own blog. So when you give the students their username and password, they're going to enter them up here and click login. Next, they're going to be prompted to log in again. Just go ahead and have them enter that same username and password. Next, students are going to be asked to choose their website domain. This is really important because this is what's actually going to go in the URL box where they can locate their blog and their classmates' blogs. So you're going to want to make it something consistent, like a pattern, so that everyone's is easy to find. So in our class, we do first name and then team204 at weebly.com. That way, everyone has the same one and they can easily find each other's blogs so they can comment on them. Now the students are at their blog homepage. This is where they can edit this. They can change it to say Lindsay's site. They can do a new title here. And down here, this is where I had my students write a little bit about themselves. So in order to add text, you need to click this box and drag it here. And then students will be able to type some information. This is a great opportunity to talk about what's appropriate to share on the internet and what's not appropriate. So some topics we brainstormed were favorite color, favorite subject in school, favorite book, just different information about themselves. When students are done, they will click publish. This basically saves. It's going to ask, is this the domain you want again? Yes, click continue. And then that homepage has been published. Next, they're going to want to make a blog page. In order to make a blog page, click Pages, click the plus sign, and then blog page to make a new page. For now, we're just going to call this blog. And now this is like a new tab from their main site. So they have their home site with their information about themselves, and they have a blog site. So they're going to want to, again, change this title, maybe to blog, maybe to something more interesting. And then they're going to click new post to make a new blog post. So students can pick the title. They can put the date. They can kind of choose whatever they want. So today's Halloween. I can then title my blog post Halloween. And then in order to add text, you need to, again, drag that box. So students can now edit here. Today was Halloween. We had a fun party. Now, in order for this to post, students need to click post. If they click save, it will save it as a draft, but it won't post it on their page. They'll find it down here as draft. So if they want to edit it and go back to it, they can do that. When they're ready to post it, click post, and then publish. And now if you click this link, this is like the live website. Notice again, when you've set up a class password, you're going to need to enter that here because our blogs are private. And then you'll see this is my home page where I wrote a little bit about myself, and then my blog page where I wrote my first blog post. That's the basics for how I had my students set up their blogs. In the next video, I'm going to show you some student examples.